put my freaking sticky note. Well, anyways, welcome back YouTube. Welcome back to another freaking video. I'm back from Chicago, dude. I'm freaking hyped. I'm happy to be back. Dude, I'm gonna be honest, like traveling is fun, but it freaking kills the rhythm. Like right now, like I want to record and stuff, dude, but I'm like to be honest, guys, like I know a lot of people want to do YouTube because, I mean, of course, you want to be successful, you know, and it's so good to see when someone's blowing up, but it is freaking hard, dude. Like YouTube's like probably one of the hardest things I've done, because you emotionally feel like you're about to get your, like, you emotionally feel destroyed, dude. Like you feel stressed, you feel anxious, and that's just part of the game. That's just part of how YouTube is. Like you gotta put yourself out there, and it's really hard, man. Like it gets hard, but that's why I just keep telling myself, like, this is my journal. Like if you expect to make a lot of money from YouTube, you got to be really unique. Like that's why my goal soon is to start buying some salvage Hellcats. And like you only can do so much. Like I can keep doing exhaust videos, like that's only gonna take me so far, you know what I mean? I want to go catless, but at the same time, like I'm super scared because with LA, dude, like the rules in LA, freaking horrible, dude. Like I can easily get destroyed. Even with this freaking cap, I can get destroyed. It's also one of my first times recording in the middle of the day. Usually I'd be recording like at evening time and stuff, but the issue, dude, is that it gets so freaking hot and the sun's beaming in my face that, dude, I just can't. But the one thing I will say is my whine is like the whine is amazing from the outside, don't get me wrong, but I'm hearing the whine too much. That's why I'm really focused on cats. Since now I'm back, I want to do it. Oh shoot, I want to do cats so bad, but I'm also like, dude, work's been so stressful that like I don't want to stress myself out more, like, because when it comes down to mechanical issues, dude, like I do pretty good at work, but when it comes down to my car, dude, I get stressed. Okay, I'm gonna roll my back windows down all the way. Oh my gosh, dude, since I basically took like 1 week break, it feels so good to hear it. Oh my gosh, I need to go catless. And I need to take out these valves because they steal the pops away, dude. We'll go automatic mode, do a quick little pull. Oh, dude, American muscle, you can't beat. Like everyone talks crap about my car. I'm gonna be honest. Like every single person I know, like a lot of my close friends, they're really cool. They're really cool people. So no one really talks crap with my close friends. But like, dude, everyone else talks so much crap. But it's a muscle car. Like I bought this car not to race people. Like I bought this car because of the aggression. Like the BMW is also fun. Like it has its own things. Like Hellcat is made for aggression, drifts. It's supposed to be freaking fun. But I want to buy M5 personally, just for V8 freaking foreign. V8 German cars are just like, dude, there's something about them. It's just so freaking unique. Like M5s are just as fun, don't get me freaking wrong, but dude, the aggression on this car, it's so aggressive, it's scary. Like that's what I love about it. Even all my homies agree, like they feel it. Even though their cars are faster than mine, the feeling of this car is different. And like you can hear it, bro. Like what you hear from the exhaust, that's how it is from the inside. It's freaking aggressive, like hella aggressive. But I think my next video I'm gonna do is 0 to 60 pulls, just like do like 10 of them and just time myself, see how fast this car is in with pulls. And then I also want to do a video on doing 60 to 130 and see how, what is that noise? Can't tell what kind of car. My goal is to do 60 to 130 and just keep doing all these runs about, I need to start doing more like informative videos of this car. I feel like POVs are awesome just because of the feel, you know, people get to experience it. But to be realistic with you guys, like you don't need a Redeye. You can get like a regular non-white body Hellcat and you'll feel the same exact way. I went for the Redeye just because since they're all expensive, I'm like, you know what, dude, just frick, man, full send. Oh. Sheesh, bro. Actually, there is kind of a car, but it's whatever. Oh my gosh. I actually sent on that corner, and I'm surprised it didn't like slip out, to be honest. I expected to slip out right now, but I didn't. Dude, something about this car, man, like it never, like every time you take a long break, it just feels like a new car. Sheesh, bro. Dude, I'm telling you, you can literally enjoy this car going the speed limit. Of course, I want to experience the top speed of this car, but it's fine, it's fine. Fudge, dude. I hope the angle's good. I hope it's not too low. Okay. Bridge time, bridge time. Oh, dude, I can't wait to go careless. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. But for anyone that's curious, like with YouTube, I'm expecting nothing from YouTube. YouTube's my journal. I don't know if I already talked about it, but okay, this is another perfect spot, dude. I love these streets so much. Oh my goodness. And now I'm going the speed limit in all my videos. Definitely, guys, try not to speed, honestly, because if like you can't enjoy the cars within the speed limit, you got to do something with the car. Either you need to get a better car or do some modifications. And that's why I think in LA, cops should be more chill with like mods. Because, dude, it makes you enjoy the gears, like the lower gears. Sheesh. Oh my god. Dude, it's freaking crazy. It's freaking crazy. But pretty much, man, YouTube's gonna be my journal, guys. I got some things cooking up on the side. YouTube, like, I would never have expectations to blow, like of course I want to blow up on YouTube. Oh, lit, I can freaking reinvest all my money. But with YouTube, dude, YouTube's like really hard. And that's why my goal is just to try and entertain you guys as much as I can. But the main reason for YouTube is the journal, dude. Like I want to be able to look back in like 30 years, 40 years and be like, oh snap, dude. I remember how I freaking felt. I felt like trash, dude. Cause like right now, man, like the things I got cooking up on the side, like, I'm gonna tell you right now, guys, if you want to be successful, you gotta take risks, and you gotta literally, every single day you feel like you want to fail, that's the feeling you have to feel. Like you have to feel that you're gonna fail, because that's where most people fail. Most people fail from just even the thought of freaking failing. Doubt, dude. Oh my gosh, I can hear the echo. Like for example, like, oh sorry if the camera's bouncing, dude, my bad. But pretty much, dude, when people talk about like, but pretty much fear and doubt, dude, kills more dreams than actually doing it. It's like, it's actually better to try and fail than not try at all. Just do it. If nothing happens, you keep on freaking doing it. You don't freaking give up. And that's why I tell myself every single freaking day, like, this is not the only thing I'm relying on, guys. Like YouTube is literally just for fun. And I know a lot of guys, you know, when you watch YouTube videos, you want to get those views and all this stuff. But at the end of the day, you have to do more. Like you have to do other sources of income. Like all the money I'm making right now, I got some big plans for money. And my goal is obviously to talk about it a lot, but all of it takes risk. So even though you can make money, there's a chance of always losing money and always screwing yourself. That's how like a lot of people get rich, and that's how a lot of people become poor. Like it's hard, man. And that's why like I can't talk about it a lot, because like sad to say, everyone in my freaking company knows my YouTube channel now. I told one of my friends, and my friend told literally every single person in my freaking company I have this job. And that's why when people are asking like, yo, why don't you talk about your pay? It's not illegal, da 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 da. Dude, I don't think you guys realize that if you talk about your pay, the company will find a way to kick you out. Like if you cause drama, like that's just how it is. And I'm not trying to screw myself, but pretty much everyone in this company freaking knows who I am. and it's freaking crazy how they all know my YouTube channel, and it's all good, man. It's all good. So that's why I can't talk about my game plans, but there's a lot's gonna be happening. Gonna be reinvesting literally all my income for the next couple years and just grinding out. I'm not gonna really talk about much since there's so many people that know me, but I'm gonna talk about what like my goal is to try something. If I fail, cool, I'll still talk about it. If I succeed, I'm gonna talk about it as well. So my goal is to take risk and talk about, like, when I start taking the risk, to start, talk about it in my other POV videos, so you guys can learn while I take risk. It's like, it's gonna be awesome, dude. I'm gonna be killing a bunch. I'm just gonna keep growing, keep taking risks, and see what happens in the future. What the? Oh my, dude! I've been gone for a week, and this literally feels like a whole new car. Sheesh. Definitely going Cali soon. Like I said, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.